Dream English Kids.
Hello! Are you ready to say 100 animal names? Here we go! My first 100 animals! My first 100 animals! Here we go! Farm animals. Dog, cat, bird, fish, horse, cow, goat, chicken, sheep, frog. More farm animals. Pig, donkey, llama, goose, rabbit, duck, rooster, mink, swan, emu. My first 100 animals. African animals. Buffalo, hare, wild dog, baboon, bat, bongo, bushbuck, cheetah, chimpanzee, elephant. More African animals. Fisher's lovebird, gelada baboon, giraffe, gazelle, hedgehog, hippopotamus, hyena, impala, jackal, leopard. My first 100 animals. More African animals. Lion, gorilla, ostrich, pangolin, porcupine, rhinoceros, serval, vulture, warthog, zebra. North American animals. Alligator, antelope, bald eagle, beaver, bison, black bear, bobcat, brown bear, caribou, coyote. My first 100 animals. More North American animals. Deer, elk, ferret, moose, mountain lion, otter, polar bear, raccoon, wolf, wolverine. South American animals. Anaconda, Andean condor, anteater, armadillo, boa constrictor, butterfly, caiman, coatimundi, tortoise, guanaco. My first 100 animals. Asian animals. Asian elephant, giant panda, Indian peafowl, Indian rhino, king cobra, Komodo dragon, orangutan, Asian black bear, red panda, tiger. Australian animals. Kangaroo, koala, kookaburra, dingo, wallaby, Tasmanian devil, wombat, quokka, quoll, possum. My first 100 animals. Great job! Great job! You just said 100 animal names. Awesome! Goodbye. See you. Thank you. Goodbye.